Adding a book in a day is widening your perspective. My name is Enid Namirimu, and I'm going to share the practical ways how you can make it fun, how you can make it interesting and engaging. I moved with 2 books today. The first book is Atomic Habits by Clear James, talking about how you can shape your habits, how you can adjust them from the bad to the good. And the second book is Understanding Your Potential by Dr. Miles Monroe, talking about how you can discover your hidden purpose, your hidden potential within yourself. These people teaches us how they live their life, how they solve their problems, and how they think. Every single day you read a book, you are adding a layer of understanding, you are adding a layer of knowledge, and you are adding a layer of wisdom on a daily basis. The more you read, the wider your perceptives. Make a choice to zoom out from your comfort zone and zoom in a growing zone of learning and understanding to change your perceptives. I'm going to share how you can make it fun, how you can make it interesting, and how you can make it engaging on a daily basis. Number 1, pair reading with a treat. Whenever you are reading, at least grab a snack. Grab at least a cup of tea or coffee, or take yourself to a beach, because the moment you are in an environment which is calm, which is fun, engaging with something or treating yourself with something while you're reading, you are making it fun. You are making yourself to be engaging. You are making yourself to calm down and settle. It settles your mind to concentrate on what you are reading. Number 2, go for a theme outing. Maybe you can go out to the library and you read. It gives you a feel of reading. It gives you this more of community. The more you engage yourself with the book fellowships, create a fellowship and engage yourself in reading, it brings this feel of community. You start to experience that we are in community, engaging in reading. We are learning, we are experiencing, we are engaging in different kinds of people, how they think whenever they read, because everyone understands it differently. So you are bringing it to make it fun. And not only that, it also gives you a leap of understanding. Number 3, engage yourself in interactive reading. You should not just read like that. Read having maybe a book around you, a pen. You can have sticker notes. You can have highlighters. For example, whenever I read, this is what I do. Highlight the main points which are standing for me. This makes me to get engaged, interesting, and fun. And it helps me to read more and more and more. Number 4, create or have a buddy friend. By that, the more you have a friend, you can at least share ideas. Whenever you select a book and read, everyone has different perspectives on how he or she has read the book or has understood the book. So when you come together, you are engaging in learning. Not only learning, you are making it interesting, giving yourself a morale to read on a daily basis. And lastly, have a reading challenge. Reading is very, very important. But if you don't put it on a challenge, you might fail to read. Challenge yourself. The more you challenge yourself, you are creating a discipline within yourself, a character of reading within yourself. So put a challenge. At least in a week, have like 3 chapters for the beginners, 3 chapters to read. It will help you grow until you reach the time when you can read a book in just 2 weeks or even 1 week, because it has started becoming enjoyable, interesting, and loving. Remember, reading is not only a learning skill, but a sacred way where people keep their secrets. The more you read, the wider you become, the wider your perspectives, and the wider you grow. So stay healthy and always widen your perspectives. Thank you for watching.